Okay, so the last video ended, I think, when I was reading this page. But what we need to understand about the Blitzkrieg is the way in which these armies attack their targets. The Blitzkrieg means they would come in from the ground with using things like tanks and troops, like you see here. But then up here we can see they also came in from the air and the sea using bombs and torpedoes to attack their targets. So the Blitzkrieg was called a lightning war because of the amount of damage it could do in a short time. All right, so early in 1943, Winston Churchill says, "We have reached the end of the beginning." He was right. The beginning was horrible. The Germans had perfected their Blitzkrieg, that lightning attack with planes, tanks, and armies all charging together. The Japanese used the same tactic and mowed down everyone in their way in the Pacific. The Allies were losing the war. The Axis seemed invincible, but then things began to change. And we will find that out tomorrow. Do a quick check. True or false? The Axis forces were winning the war in the beginning. Is that true or false? I just told you this on the previous page, so. So we will find out what that means, the end of the beginning. We will find that out in our next lesson. For now, what I would like you to do is go over to your Google form and answer all of the questions. This is your graded assignment for today. So you're going to fill in all of that. You're going to submit it. And for class tomorrow, please keep up on your reading. I don't want you to get behind. There's so much information in this that I cannot cover in class. So for tomorrow, you're going to read chapter 12 and 13. Altogether, I think it's about 5 or 6 pages. It's not that long. Please do your reading. Complete your guided notes. We are up to lesson 5. So lessons 1 through 5 of guiding notes. All of the readings that we have done so far are in chapters 6 through 11. If you click on the link, when it pops up, you will get your Google form for your M&M. And remember, tomorrow we have the rest of our parent-teacher conferences in the morning, and in the afternoon we will have an adjusted class schedule. So you will have your classes Friday afternoon. They will just be shortened like we have done the last couple of Wednesdays. So if you have any questions or need help with anything, you can drop me an email. But I will see you all tomorrow afternoon in our classes. Have a great day.